shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the plan with me. It's your girl, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me in my vertical happy planner. So this week, it's only going to be a decorate with me as I am out of town, but we will pick up our regular scheduled program for the plan with me that comes out on Sunday, March the 7th. It's almost springtime, and spring is one of my most favorite times of the year. So make sure if you enjoy the video, you don't forget to do the 3 things: a like, comment, and subscribe. So jumping right in, we are going to use stickers from the Beauty and Floral sticker book. Now, at first I was like, this sticker book is kind of dark, so I'm going to save these stickers for fall. But then I was like, wait a minute, like there's some really pretty blooms in here. There's some pinks, and I of course incorporated colorful boxes, and also these pink colorful boxes came from the jewel toned colorful boxes sticker book. So regular colorful boxes for the gold, and then jewel tone. So this one will be rather quick because, of course, we do not have really, I'm not going to be putting down my plans today, but y'all, so cute. So that says inhale confidence, exhale doubt. Yes, let's do that. And so I thought it would also be really pretty to come and put, because with me just getting back on the 1st, I'm sure there's lots of things that I am going to have to do for being away for a couple of days. So I put a master to-do list here. Master plan, master to-do list, it all works. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of taxes. So here we go in the evening. Boom. Taxes, and I have layered several stickers here, so to go here, and I just don't want this to be in the middle of my sticker, and by this I mean this line. So I'm going to use this uniball signal just to cover that up, kind of using it like whiteout, so it doesn't show through my sticker. All right, let's do it. So we have this, and I'm gonna kind of layer it into on Monday into Tuesday. Oh, I love that, guys. This sticker book is so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna come down here on Tuesday evening into Wednesday, and we're going to have another layered situation. And let's do this. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this like up here, so with those layered stickers. And I do want to come and just cover that up. All right. And those are little pieces of washi in the sticker book, and I really, really like it. All right, so I kind of want these to kind of touch a little bit. Oh, God. And that's good. Perfect. Then I have these little diamond, bullet points I want to put there. Now I'm finding that that space is quite empty, and I probably need to put another situation right there, but we will get to that in a moment. Then we're going to come on Thursday and put this to do in this area right here. Actually, I want to put it kind of low. So we can just come here and have that. And then for Friday, we are going to, this is kind of like Thursday / Friday. We're going to use this layered setup right here. And we do need to come here and just color that a little so that it doesn't show through our sticker. All right, and then lay that there. Oh, it's so crooked. Oh, it's so crooked. I got to pull that up. I got to pull it up. It's just too crooked to stay there. It can't. It can't stay here. And I got a piece of hair on that. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's try to pull this up and lay it straighter because that's just slack. It's just entirely too crooked for me. So I don't want it to come unlayered though. Thank you. Thank you. Don't come unlayered. The colorful boxes can come. That colorful box can come unlayered. Everything else needs to stay layered. Okay. So we're going to, actually that came off. That's fine. We're going to measure this here and here. Okay. Which is fine. And then we'll just put this back on there and we will move this up since this is shifted. And we're coming here. Okay. And then this one here. Okay, that's better. Okay, it's not as crooked, still crooked. Okay, very good. And so I thought for Sunday we would mirror this little pink box, and I would have had more of these. I love these little triangles, but there was only 2 in that color scheme. And true indeed, I could have put another one down, whatever. This says surround yourself with beauty. So I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. I wonder if that's where that went. And this says watch each other grow. Root for each other and watch each other grow. So this one certainly will require the coloring in probably most of this area. And also we have to get okay. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down into this area down here, so I just want to make sure that we have it perfect. I love it. All right, so we also have some bullet points to go over here. Okay. I wonder if I put this here, that would solve the problem, because I feel like if I put anything else right there, it would be overkill. But then I don't have any of this going on this side. Okay, so we are gonna put this here. I mean, it's crooked. Probably coming a little bit closer here. Okay. Oops, and I dropped the whole thing and I thought it was there. I'm gonna put this there. Okay. So I'm good with that. We definitely are missing something there. So we will be placing something there. So I don't know what it is that we're gonna place there. But I don't know if it's a quote. I don't know if it's a box. I don't know. So let's see. I'm just gonna grab this and I'll just put this, you are okay. And if I want to write, I can write here, I can write here, so many places I can write. Okay, so that is our plan with me for this week of March 1st through the 7th. And again, these stickers came from the Beauty in Floral sticker book, along with the jewel toned colorful boxes and the OG regular colorful boxes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, baby.